today we're practicing present continuous and you have to make questions and then try to give your answers. This time you have options to choose from, but you can also give your own opinion. It doesn't matter as long as you are practicing. What are they talking about? What does she see? Where is she heading? What's he playing? What's the child smiling at? Who is the shepherd tending? What is the child carrying in her bag? What is she singing about? What is she wondering about? Where is the girl going? What is Samal bending? What is Tolkon bending? If you enjoyed the exercise, don't forget to like or leave your comment and share this exercise with other people so that they can exercise as well. And you can subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one.